This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pender. The perfect north end location overlooking the Cavalier Hotel and Residences. Beautiful, well-built beach home is loaded with charm and character with hardwood floors, custom woodwork throughout, freshly painted newer HVAC, newer driveway and more. Wonderful floor plan with 3 bedrooms, office, sunroom with double-sided gas fireplace, living room and dining room. Fabulous landscaped yard, detached garage and rear alley parking. This home has access to the Cavalier Beach Club for a monthly fee. Don't miss out on this exceptional home. For more information, review the details below.